Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best softbox lighting kits that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a photographer, videographer, or content creator, the right lighting setup can make all the difference. You can find the product links in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Torjim Softbox Lighting Kit with a compact 16 by 16 inches softbox. This kit is designed for photographers and content creators who want portability without compromising on quality. The high-quality PET fabric and foldable nylon cover ensure excellent reflectivity and light diffusion, making it a great choice for beginners and pros alike. The standout feature here is the 85-watt energy-efficient bulb with an adjustable color temperature range of 3,000 to 7,500 K. This allows for warm, neutral, or cool lighting depending on your needs. Its 210-degree rotatable head and 60-inch adjustable tripod provide flexibility, while the sturdy aluminum construction ensures stability. However, the smaller softbox size may not be ideal for larger studios or wide-area lighting setups. Overall, this kit is perfect for those who need a lightweight, budget-friendly option for smaller spaces or mobile setups. The minimalistic design, easy setup, and energy-saving bulb make it a solid entry-level choice. Pros include portability, affordability, and good light diffusion. Cons include its smaller softbox size and slightly lower build quality compared to higher-ranked options. At number 4, we have the Torjim 2-piece 27 by 27 Professional Softbox Kit. This kit is ideal for users who want a larger light source with a wider coverage area. The 27-inch softboxes come with removable white diffusers and a highly reflective nylon interior, which creates soft, even lighting while minimizing harsh shadows. This kit also includes two 85-watt LED bulbs with a color temperature range of 3,000 K to 7,500 K. Perfect for everything from warm portrait lighting to cool product photography. The 210 degrees rotatable heads and adjustable tripod stands up to 74.5 inches allow for versatile positioning, and the sturdy aluminum alloy construction ensures durability. While this kit is slightly heavier at 10.18 pounds, it's still portable thanks to the included carrying bag. The Torjim 27 by 27 kit excels in flexibility and ease of use, making it a great choice for portrait or video work. It's a step up in size and versatility compared to smaller kits, but may feel bulky for those with limited space. Pros include wide coverage, excellent light diffusion, and sturdy build quality. Cons are the heavier weight and larger footprint, which may not suit smaller studios. The number 3 spot goes to the Skytex Softbox Lighting Kit, which comes with two 20-inch by 28-inch softboxes. Skytex is known for its attention to detail and quality, and this kit doesn't disappoint. The softboxes are made from durable PET material, offering excellent reflectivity and long-term performance. The included carrying bag adds portability, making it ideal for frequent on-the-go users. What sets this kit apart is its dimmable 3-color LED bulbs, which allow you to switch between warm, cool, and neutral tones. With a color temperature range of 2,700 to 6,400 K and an adjustable brightness level of 1 to 100%, you have full control of your lighting setup. The 79-inch aluminum tripod stands are sturdy and easily adjustable, and the 210 degrees rotatable heads let you fine-tune your angles for the perfect shot. This kit is a versatile choice for users who need precise control over their lighting. It performs well for photography, video recording, and even live streaming. Pros include dimmable bulbs, a wide color range, and portability. On the downside, the lack of batteries for the remote control and the slightly higher price point may deter some buyers. Our runner-up is the MOUNTDOG Softbox Lighting Kit, featuring two 19.7 by 27.5 inches softboxes. This kit is an excellent mid-range option for those looking for professional-grade lighting. The softboxes are crafted from high-quality PET material, ensuring durability and efficient light diffusion. The included 85-watt LED bulbs provide pure white daylight at 5,700 K, creating a natural lighting environment. You can control the brightness and color temperature easily with the included remote controls, an added convenience for photographers and videographers. The 210-degree rotatable heads and adjustable tripods up to 78 inches make it easy to customize your setup for various shooting angles. This kit shines in its ease of use and adaptability, making it suitable for portrait, product, or fashion photography. Pros include its robust build quality, remote functionality, and even light output. However, it lacks the color temperature range seen in higher-ranked options, and the bulbs are not dimmable. Finally, taking the top spot is the Torjim Softbox Lighting Kit Premium Set. This kit combines portability, functionality, and excellent lighting performance. It includes two 16x16 softboxes made from high-quality PET fabric and equipped with silver particle reflectors for even light distribution. The star feature here is the 85W LED bulbs with a wide color temperature range of 3,000 to 7,500 K, allowing for warm, cool, or neutral lighting. The adjustable tripods up to 62 inches and 210-degree rotatable heads make it easy to adapt to any setup. This kit is ideal for anyone from YouTubers and live streamers to product photographers, offering consistent and professional results. The Torjim Premium Set stands out for its balance of quality, features, and portability. Pros include its excellent light diffusion, versatile color temperature range, and complete package. The only downside is that the softbox size may be too small for larger studio setups. However, for most users, this kit is the best all-around choice for the price. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.